everyone, my name is Barry and welcome to my course JavaScript Variables and Types. I am an independent software developer and architect with a passion for the cloud and web development. JavaScript is one of the most used programming languages for developing web applications. Because of that, you should learn as much as you can about it, so that you can excel at creating web applications. In this course, you are going to learn some advanced JavaScript topics that can help you to make your code more readable and maintainable. Some of the major topics that we will cover include template literals and tagged templates, the difference between the let and const keywords, and how to test strings for specific content. By the end of this course, you'll know how to make your JavaScript code more maintainable. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with JavaScript and the basics of web development. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn some advanced JavaScript features with the JavaScript Variables and Types course at Pluralsight.